What's up guys, it's Rob with Project XJ, and we're going to do a real quick video again like the last time. I tried to use the e-brake earlier today and it didn't work whatsoever. So we're going to tighten it up. So here we go. So yeah, you come in here and you can put it all the way up. There's nothing there whatsoever. And honestly, it's the first time I ever even messed with it. And I just pulled it just to pull it to see if it would stop. And it didn't. So we're going to tighten it up. Alright, so your emergency linkage is directly under the driver's side floorboard of the back, if that makes sense. So if your Jeep's pretty rusty, you might want to shoot it with some penetrating oil and let it sit for a while. If not, like mine, I'm just gonna go at it. And you see the change of how much I've moved it. Seems like it's getting a little tighter. We're gonna keep going though. Now I'm gonna go up top and see what we got. Let's see. Look at that. Perfect. That's what we need. Alright guys, I hope these short, quick videos help you guys. I know not everyone's master mechanics. I know I'm not. I don't consider myself a mechanic at all. I just get under there and figure out how to do it. So if you like these kind of videos, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.